come see Maggie Dunchurch on Wednesday, September 6th from 10 to 2 at Lane Family's Pharmasave on Pine Drive in Parry Sound. Come get your copy of Onions, Butterfly Kisses, Stepping Stones, Silver Buttons, Aware, and the list. Local stories sold locally. Also available at Magneto on Grill and Grocery, Foodland in Sundridge, Collins Value Mart in Berks Falls, and Pharmasave in Huntsville, Stevens Your Independent Grocer in Bracebridge, and Lane Family Pharmasave in Parry Sound. So on Wednesday, September 6th from 10 to 2, come see Maggie Dunchurch at Lane Family Pharmasave in Parry Sound. For more books and locations, visit her online at maggiedunchurch.ca.